Hi guys, welcome back to our Everyday Tech. On today's tutorial, we'll be unboxing the F15-2 wireless microphone to see if it's the ultimate audio upgrade for 2026. Let's dive in. So guys, this is the F15-2 wireless microphone. This is how it comes in with the carton and everything. Now these are the guidelines for the F15-2 wireless microphone. You can go through it if necessary. Now as you can see, we have the two wireless microphone here. This is the first one. As you can see, is the wireless microphone 1, and the second wireless microphone 2. So I'm going to drop this for a sec. Now this is the receiver in which we will connect to the phone when connecting our wireless microphone to any phone, either an Android, which is a type C, or an iPhone. We also have the F15-2 wireless microphone that comes with stereo transmitter, which has an Android, a type C, an iPhone, and also an adapter. Now this is the wind cancellation. This is to be integrated into our wireless microphone. Now this is the first one. So for us to connect it, you can see inside there's this place to connect it, so we have to put it in. Okay guys, as you can see, I've put in our wind cancellation on our mic. So this is how it is. So let us, okay, I almost forgot, we have the USB cord here. So this is the USB cord that comes with our F15-2 wireless microphone. This is to be used to charge in our microphone. As you can see, it is used to charge our microphone, and also it is used to charge our receiver. So let's test it out. Now I'm just going to plug in the microphone. As you can see, if it's charging, there will be a red light at this side. So you can see, same goes for the other mic. As you can see, then you can also charge the receiver. The receiver is chargeable and it's to be connected by Bluetooth, so we can charge the receiver. Now this is how we connect it. So these are all the necessary equipment or the tools that comes out from the F15-2 wireless microphone box. So it starts with this. Now let us connect our microphone. So we are going to take the receiver. So for this video, I'll be making use of my Samsung S20 FE. So I'm going to, and this is the video, the phone I'm using to record this. So I'm going to connect it automatically. See, the microphone is now on. Now, all you have to do is to connect your Bluetooth. To connect your phone Bluetooth to the receiver. So let's try if it actually works. Okay, since our Bluetooth and our receiver is connected, all you have to do is to click in this. So for this, let me just. So guys, this is it. You can check out the noise if the sound is good enough for you. As you can see, I'm currently using one of the microphones. The other one is still here. As you can see, the other one is still here. I haven't on it. So we can compare the audio between my microphone and my phone internal audio. So that's it. So I'm going to unplug the receiver from my phone so you can compare both of them. So guys, this is the unboxing of our F15-2 wireless microphone which we unboxed. So this is the unboxing video of it.
So please, if you find this video helpful and you think the F15-2 wireless microphone is a great choice, you can go on to Temu, Easy Buy, Jumia to get yours, and it's at a cheap rate. So that's it. So if you find this video helpful, please guys, like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you guys.
Hey everyone, if you love what you see, make sure to hit that subscribe button right down here. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye!